Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by launching Chrome and immediately accessing the appearance settings so you don't waste time. Once Chrome is open, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, then pick Settings and go straight to Appearance. Make sure Chrome is updated. An outdated build can hide controls. After that, click Themes to jump into the Chrome Web Store Themes section. This puts you where Applied Themes and Previews live, so you can pick an option without detours. Once you're on the Themes page, search or browse categories to narrow options, dark, light, or colorful, so you don't get overwhelmed. Click any theme to open its details and inspect the preview images. Previews show toolbar, tab strip, and new tab backgrounds. When a candidate looks right, click Add to Chrome to install it. The theme applies immediately so you can evaluate contrast and readability. If it clashes with extensions or sites, you'll notice it right away and can iterate. To finish, decide whether the applied theme works for daily use. If it does, simply continue. Chrome saves themes automatically. If it doesn't, go back to Settings, open Appearance, and click Reset to default theme to revert immediately. If the theme fails to apply or displays broken icons, make sure Chrome is updated and temporarily disable extensions that modify UI. Conflicts often cause rendering issues. Finally, try a different theme or restart Chrome if problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.